Oh, hi guys! This is Marshall's Studios Forever Vintage Stuff here. Marshall's Studios Forever is taping in front of a live audience tonight. Tonight's video, I will be house cleaning with my 1988 Hoover Comset 1 upright vacuum, and first of all, and Marshall Studios Forever's video, I wanted to do a house cleaning on my 1988 Hoover Elite in the next video, and I wanted to use the Hoover Elite tonight. Instead of that, I really wanted to run my Hoover Comset 1 with the self-repel version to it. And for first of all, I really love using it. And this machine reminds me of using it. And I really wanted to get the Comset 2 in the future. If I ever find a Comset 2, with the Dustbuster on there, if I bought it in blue or red, I'll let you know, okay? And I got the one with the black cord right here, and I really wanted to use this, and this is a very powerful machine, and I love using this one a lot. And I still use it during this day. I still use the purple Hoover Preferred most of the time. And I really wanted to put sawdust on the carpet in the next video. I really wanted to put sawdust on the ground. Or maybe coffee grinds, and I wanted to have a suck test for this machine. And how much this vacuum cleaner will pick up. And for first of all, on the on button is really quieter. In the power surge, it will pick up very stronger. And here we go. there you go, everybody. I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. Bye.